Yes. If I'm gonna go cooking, better have some good music. No. 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 Yes! Okay. I have water right here. Why do I need a bottle of water when I have water right here? That doesn't make any sense. Let's just put it back. Oh, god damn it! Okay, let's see what kind of recipes we have on here. That would have been very helpful. Tuna steak! Yeah! I don't need to wash my hands. I don't even use hands. I use the power of my psychic mind. This is a loud-ass fridge! There. Apparently this tuna sounds like it's made out of wood. That's better. Where's my lemons? I'll burn your house down with the lemons! Yeah, where's my oregano at? Flavor ashes. And flavor crystals. I should probably salt it now, before I forget. Burn it until it can be consumed! Sure. And then oregano on the side. 2 stars! But wrong amount of oh. So you gave it 2 stars because I gave you... Welcome to my new cooking show. Cooking with, me. Today we'll be cooking. Yeah, I got a blowtorch. I'll burn you right after I burn myself. Ah! Shit! Shit! No! 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 Oh, I made a mess. Don't you hate it when you go out with a lovely person and they do this to your dick? There you go. What? Alright, let's... And then the next ingredient, milk. I don't see the banana. Okay, after obliterating the banana, put the banana in the milk. Put it all in the milk. Put it all in the milk, and then you blend the banana. Blend it all. I should have put a whole banana in here. It'd be a lot easier. I think I can pretty much do. Whoopsie daisy. Yo, put that in there, and then get the blender. Where's the blender? There you are. And blend it. Perfect. Add some coconut milk in there. Make it more tropical. This banana soup is gonna be delicious! And you want to add the next ingredient to it, which is beer. Hold on. I can put. Wait. My banana soup! This cooking show isn't going so well as I thought. I accidentally, the first thing I made, I spilled it everywhere because beer got in the way. I'm not even an alcoholic and beer still got in the way. My port. How does beer work? Okay, next recipe. Oh yeah, I should probably turn that off. I don't want to fucking see you in here. Fuck out of here. Oh yeah. Okay. Ah! Ah! No, I don't want to put it down! No! No! Ah! I'm going to have to cancel this show the only way I know how. By saying the one word you can't say on TV.
You could have just quit the show.